All right, guys, quick review on this LEVOIT humidifier. Absolutely one of the best humidifiers I've had. Again, it's got this top capsule here, so you can actually, it's two pronged, so you can actually turn this, and it'll actually shoot out your air in two different directions. You can take off the cap, again, so the inside here, that's where the water comes out, and then of course it's got a little handle here, so you can actually pick it up. Most people are just going to keep this on though. Again, I'll go ahead and take it off for you though, show you the inside. The inside, again, you'll just turn this knob here, fill it up with normal water. Don't do what I did. I added ice cubes originally because it takes forever to sit there and watch the water fill up. So I added ice cubes on the inside there, and it ended up getting water on the inside here. They even tell you do not pour water on the inside here. So that did mess up mine a little bit. It ended up working though. This thing's crazy. It came back to life after a little bit, but again, fits a good amount of water. Now, the only downside about this, it's not Amazon Alexa compatible, and you cannot hook it up to a smart switch because you actually have to press this button to turn it on. So again, that's a negative about it. But again, you got a couple settings, so you can swap it to like nighttime. It shoots out the mist straight out of it. Oh, forgot the top. So you put the top on, and then of course the mist shoots out. The higher up in the room, the better. So you want to put this up at a higher elevation. Trust me, you'll feel the difference. Don't put this at the ground level. It's not worth it. And by high up, I mean I put this like way up on a shelf, so you guys know. And then it shoots out over the room. You can really feel the difference. It really gives you good clean air. Again, this thing's awesome. Side profile. Oh, and then of course the back, it's actually got a little compartment here. You'll press, and then you'll pull it out, and it's got a thing for scented oils, so you can scent your oils, put it in there, and then of course you can smell them. Again, it's very, very minor. You'll smell it. It's not going to smell your whole room, to be honest. It's only going to smell the area where you actually have the humidifier at. But again, it's really nice. I love this thing. It broke on me once, and then it came back just because my stupid self put ice cubes and stuff in it. But other than that, highly recommend. 10 out of 10. Again, not Amazon compatible, and you cannot plug it into a smart switch. Only issue I have with it.
LEVOIT cool air humidifier. I'd have to say I've been pleased with this purchase. I don't know how long I've had it now. It has to be over a year, I would think. That's speed 1. 2. 3. So I just say make sure wherever it's falling out at, you don't have anything down there. I mean, I got a register right here next to this thing, heating register, and then my bed, but I make sure it falls away from my bed. Otherwise you're going to wake up with a bit of a dew. Anyway, I'd say that was a good purchase. So far it's held up, and I don't foresee any problems, but knock on Formica.
If you're having issues, and it'll say on the V app or whatever, there's no water, and it'll have like that red button there or something, the essential oils might be blocking it. So I washed it, I cleaned it and everything, and now it's fine. The numbers would, the number on here would only go like to 50 or like 55. I have it set to 60. And now the room's at 85. It works. I have it on auto. If that's just, it'll help anybody, because I know some reviews were saying that it wasn't working. And when I Googled this brand, and I was wondering why it would stop working, the essential oils. So maybe I'll actually read the manual and put the essential oils on this little cap here, and not in the water, because it's going to clog here.
So I had the product for a couple months. Like I said, never had any issues. But whenever I opened it to change the water out, I noticed that the seal had come up all the way around. And so obviously it's not going to completely seal it in place like it should. And I opened it and the entire bottom chamber was filled up with water, which you should obviously not have because of these two indicators telling you not to put water in there. So for risk of not damaging it further, I don't think I will be using the product anymore. But it was a good product while it lasted, so hopefully nobody else has that issue.
Mom, eating this reminds me of things that just stuck over our house for a long time.
Alexa, can you turn on the humidifier? Alexa, can you turn off the humidifier?
This is the compartment for the essential oil, so all you do is just press it in, pops out, squeeze the sides a little bit, drop 1 or 2 drops of essential oil, and then just put it right there. You'll hear a click, and then you're good to go.
Und dann ist es auf den Boden gefallen. Und die hat es einfach wieder genommen auf den Teller. Und dann habe ich zu ihr gesagt, was machst du? Und die so, ja, jetzt. Und ich so, nee.
Podríamos subir y llegar a 60 y con el otro, porque ya pues puedes controlar más. No, es muy difícil saber, pero sí sabíamos que cuando
Here you go, Amazon. Your second humidifier leaking out the side. Thanks a lot, Amazon.